Chia seeds with basil seeds healthy combo recipe. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you an exciting and nutritious recipe featuring the powerhouse combination of chia seeds and basil seeds. First, let's start by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to a glass. Next, pour in a cup of water to help these seeds work their magic. A sprinkle of basil seeds being added into the glass. Now, for the twist. Add a teaspoon of basil seeds to the mix. A hand squeezing lemon juice into the glass. To enhance the flavor and add a refreshing zing, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. A drizzle of honey into the glass. For those with a sweet tooth, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup can be the perfect addition. Give it all a good stir to make sure everything is nicely mixed together. Your chia seeds with basil seeds drink is ready to be enjoyed. Subscribe for more healthy recipes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy and delicious ideas. Thanks for watching.